The ball is in the Parliament's court, but even its decision may not be acceptable across the board. The opposition believes it cannot defeat the People's Party in the Parliament on the NRO, but it is keeping its fingers crossed, looking to the Supreme Court for a possible way out. The court has already asked the government to get the NRO passed from the Parliament. It is, however, keeping open the option of judicial review even after the ordinance's passage. Meanwhile, the PML-N is pressurizing the People's Party to repeal what it terms a black law.
We had taken a stand initially that it is not only unconstitutional, it is also immoral piece of legislation, which we do not consider it's a valid legislation. So after having taken that kind of stand, I think it is well nigh impossible for PML-N to change or to compromise its stand on this issue.
The People's Party meanwhile says the NRO was necessary to remove unproved corruption cases against its leadership, which had been pending for years and allegedly manipulated by the judiciary.
If those cases could not reach its finality, could not conclude, and they could not prove anything that was accused, then is there any sense in continuing those cases?
Some analysts suggest that Nawaz Sharif also signed a type of NRO with General Musharraf when he went into exile in December 2000. The People's Party also counters the PML-N by pointing out how Sharif scuttled a deal with General Musharraf in order to go into exile.
Why don't you talk about the understanding he reached with General Pervez Musharraf in December 2000? Under what law was he allowed to go? Please, we should be apprised about it.
But the PML-N still denies the existence of any deal with General Musharraf.
Nawaz Sharif had applied to the then President, Mr. Mohammad Rafiq Tarar, that he wants to go abroad for treatment and he should be permitted to do that. And then it was not to General Pervez Musharraf, it was only to President Rafiq Tarar.
A heated debate is expected not only in the Parliament but outside as well. Some analysts believe Nawaz Sharif may use the NRO as a bargaining chip to make President Zardari give up his discretionary but controversial powers. But it apparently looks difficult given the so-far stance of the PML-N against the NRO. And if a compromise is made, it may politically damage Sharif and his party. Shahzad Raza, Dawn News, Islamabad.